Cantonese ginger and scallion lobster, Jiang Kong Long Xie. A delicious Chinese main course recipe. This recipe serves to 4 servings. Preparation takes about 30 minutes. And cooking takes around 15 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 pounds live North Atlantic lobster, a half cup cornstarch, 3 cups vegetable oil, 3 ounces fresh ginger, 6 to 8 stalk scallions, 3 cloves garlic, 1 small shallot, a half cup chicken stock, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing rice wine, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. Step 1. Prepare the lobster by removing the rubber bands. Using a heavy chef's knife, split the head down the middle, remove the grain sac, and chop the tail into 3 to 4 chunks. Crack the claw slightly with the back of your knife to allow flavors to penetrate. Step 2. Rinse the lobster pieces briefly under cold water and pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. Any excess moisture will cause oil splattering. Step 3. In a small bowl, whisk together the chicken stock, Shaoxing wine, light soy sauce, sugar, and white pepper. Set this sauce base aside. Step 4. Place the half cup of cornstarch in a large bowl. Lightly dredge the exposed meat of the lobster pieces in the starch, shaking off any excess. This creates a barrier that keeps the meat tender. Step 5. Heat the vegetable oil in a wok or deep skillet to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Carefully add the lobster pieces in batches. Step 6. Flash fry the lobster for about 1 to 2 minutes until the shells turn bright red and the meat is about 70% cooked. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on a wire rack. Step 7. Carefully pour out the hot oil into a heat-proof container, leaving about 2 tablespoons of oil in the wok. Step 8. Return the wok to high heat. Add the ginger slices and stir-fry for 30 seconds until the edges are slightly golden and fragrant. Step 9. Add the garlic, minced shallots, and the white parts of the scallions. Toss for another 30 seconds until the aromatics release their scent. Step 10. Return the fried lobster pieces to the wok. Toss vigorously with the aromatics over high heat for 1 minute. Step 11. Pour the sauce mixture around the edges of the wok so it heats up as it slides down to the center. Toss to coat the lobster evenly. Step 12. Stir the cornstarch slurry and pour it into the center. Stir constantly until the sauce thickens into a clear, glossy glaze that clings to the lobster. Step 13. Add the green parts of the scallions and the sesame oil. Give it one final toss to wilt the greens slightly. Step 14. Transfer to a large warmed platter, stacking the pieces to recreate the shape of the lobster for a professional presentation, and serve immediately. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.